Hey guys, it's Creative, and welcome to my Christmas unboxing video. So as you guys can see here, I acquired quite a bit of stuff for Christmas this year, ranging from a different variety of companies like Walthers, Kato, Athearn, Genesis, and Bachmann. So in this video, I'll just be unboxing and showcasing all of the stuff that I got for Christmas this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the unboxings. Alright, so up first I have a Walthers hub group container. Go ahead and remove the plastic wrapping and voila. I do have two of these green hub group containers already, and I have a red one. So now this makes four hub group containers in total. So yeah, it's very nice, and I'll definitely be able to vary up my intermodal train consists a lot more with this addition to the intermodal collection. Alright, for this next one, it's a BNSF covered hopper. I'll go ahead and remove it from the box. And just like that. This looks pretty awesome. I really like the swoosh logo right here and all the details there, the FRA striping, the sides, really nice. I like the ladder and the very subtle chain right there as well. I need to get my screwdriver for the review sections of this, but yeah, overall this is a pretty decent hopper for Bachmann especially. I know I'm definitely going to enjoy running this on the layout. Alright, next up we have another Bachmann item. It is a U.S. Army Flatcar with a missile launcher on the top. I'll go ahead and unbox this. Nice and easy. Alright. And the missile comes with a separate wrapping as well to keep it protected when shipping. And it mounts onto the bed like that, and then nice and easy transportation. This Flatcar also comes with two sets of 3 wheels on the ends instead of 2, like normal flat cars do, and then brake wheel there. And yeah, this is a pretty cool flat car. I do not have a bulkhead. Yeah, that's my bad. I do not have a bulkhead style flat car like this added to my layout collection until now, so this is going to look really nice written on the layout as well. Alright, I'll go ahead and unbox the next package. So this is a Walthers Centerbeam flat car in the BNSF road number paint scheme. I'll remove the outer packaging. Looks like it's taped together, so. Easy does it, as they say. Nice. And yeah, as we can see here, this is pretty similar to the Burlington Northern Centerbeam flat car that I have already that I got, I believe, last year. Except, yeah, this is in the BNSF road number. And then all along the center, these beams looks really nice. I still need to get some lumber loads for my Centerbeam flat cars. And I'm glad that I have a pair instead of just one. So yeah, this is really nice. It's going to look great with my other Centerbeam flat car. Alright, next up is a Athearn Genesis open Autorack. We'll go ahead and pry this open. Comes in its own protective cradle as well. is really nice. Athearn Genesis models are very delicate. At least more than other brands, I'll say. I do have an Athearn Genesis locomotive as well, so now this makes I think 2 Athearn Genesis products for my collection now. Oh yeah. Now this looks nice. Comes with protective plastic coverings for the wheels as well. That's really cool. And yeah, here we go. Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy trailer train. Open autoracks are just very interesting types of rolling stock. In my opinion, I definitely prefer the closed ones in terms of looks. And I guess yeah, I mean, what I was going for with my layout, themed from the 1990s to the present day, but this will be great for simulating the 80s or the 70s in terms of mod railroading. And yeah, I'm wondering if cars can fit on this thing too. I'll definitely have to see if the cars on my layout can. Next up is the Kato item. Let's see. Oh yes. The Amtrak Viewliner 2 baggage car in a Phase 3 paint scheme. Now this is a beauty. In person, it looks very sleek and shiny. And the Phase 3 paint scheme on this, it looks awesome. I definitely prefer the Phase 3 paint scheme over the Phase 4, just any other Amtrak paint scheme for that matter. And there is handrails in the box that I'll have to install whenever I have time. And then this baggage car will definitely look a lot better. But yeah, as of now, it looks amazing. And the windows are see-through and everything. It's wow. This is going to look awesome running with my Amtrak trains. That's for sure. Now it's time to unbox the last thing in the pile. And it is a Walthers Amtrak Phase 3 F40PH number 367. Go ahead and remove this thing from the box. The outside packaging is definitely doing its job of protecting the locomotive from sustaining any damage in shipping. Alright, try to remove it. There we go. At least I got half of it, and nice and easy, just like that. Wow, this thing is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. But just like the baggage car, it looks amazing. Inside there's cab interior details, and then the headlight, the Phase 3 paint as well, the Amtrak road number up there, the horns, the plow, the coupler. Everything about this just looks awesome. Panels on the sides, Amtrak 367 right in the middle, fuel tanks on the bottom, on the back, a door, more road numbers, the headlight, grab irons, and the rear coupler as well. There's no rear plow or anything. And then, yeah, the trucks look great. On the top of the fans, some more panels. A very amazing locomotive and everything. So since this unboxing video is getting pretty long as it is, I'm probably going to do a separate video of me running everything that I got from this unboxing session. So I'll have that edited and uploaded very soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and Merry Christmas.